Hindi nila kami panagbayad. OMG. Salamat po.
It's good. It's good. No, you taste it.
Guys, okay, just one.
You don't have
Pag kayo
any.
nagdugos ni dati.
No, because all the coins that you buy the candies there in the market.
Pag kayo nagdigos nila.
Yeah, we've been there. No, it's just English. No, no,
No
not Tagalog. No.
Yes.
In Australia.
You have to abuse it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You don't charge 1,000.
No, okay, no, it's just family. No pay in.
No, not
We
good.
don't have a change.
We don't have chance.
We just have 150.
Let me check inside. Not good. I don't like that. No chicken.
Kikiam, fishball, and
This is street food.
quick, sir. Quick.
You want to eat something?
Mm.
You want or wait later? Or wait lunch? Try to find inside the bag, please. Try to
Oh
find.
my god, all the coins.
It's good. That
Yeah, it's okay.
with gelatin.
Yeah, I said to you.
Basta pa yan,
Bayad ko kung
Your eyes. Your eyes.
What?
Your eyes.
My height? What? What? I don't know.
Nothing. You know where is the Santa Catalina, sir?
Bigan.
Yeah,
Going bigan.
Santa Catalina Beach.
Bigan.
Do you have a jeep there going there?
Bus.
Bus.
Bus and big bus.
Okay.
You stop it in the terminal
Okay.
and you get a tricycle
Going there.
going to Santa Catalina.
Tricycle 100, no? She is the wife?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe.